Most of the problems our students will encounter in their lives will arise from situations they have not previously encountered. Gaining skills in problem solving will help them prepare for the future. To be effective in solving mathematical problems and other problems, one should be creative, be organized, and be persistent. That last quality, being persistent, might be the most important for both adults and children. As Juanita Copley writes in The Young Child in Mathematics, all young children solve problems, yet even among preschoolers, differences in children's dispositions towards problem solving may be seen. Disposition is more than just a positive attitude toward math. An effective problem solver perseveres, focuses his attention, tests hypotheses, makes reasonable risks, remains flexible, tries alternatives, and exhibits self-regulation. Recall the four-step method for solving mathematical problems, where you have to understand the problem. Then after understanding, you make a plan. You carry out the plan. Then you look back on your work. How could it be better? And this is all well and good, but how do you actually do these steps? Well, that step 2 about making a plan is particularly mysterious. How do you make a plan? That is where you need some tools in your toolbox and some experience to draw upon. Much has been written to explain these steps in more detail, but the truth is that they are more art than science. So this is where math becomes a creative endeavor. And hopefully where it becomes a lot more fun. So we'll articulate some useful problem-solving strategies, but this is not a complete list, so don't think of it as a complete list. This is just a start to help you on your way. The best way to become a skilled problem solver is to learn the background materials well and then to solve a lot of problems. So some of the lists we'll talk about: making a drawing or diagram, making a table or list, guess, check, and revise, work backwards, use a formula or equation, make a model, compare with a similar or simpler problem, eliminate possibilities, and just work with other people.